How to see one other viewers on Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can know or how you can see who the one other viewer is that views your Facebook story. Now, first open the app and log into your ID. As you can see, I've logged into my ID. Now sometimes if you put up a story, you will get the one other viewers that you can't see their name. You can see that I don't have any story right now here, but if I go to my archives and here you can see two viewers and I have one other viewers. You can see the question mark icon. If you tap on it, you'll see who are the other viewers. Views from people who aren't your friends are anonymous. Now, it means that views from other people who aren't your friends won't be shown and they'll be shown as one other viewers or two other viewers. But how you can see them, let me show you. Head over to your home and from here go to three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. From here head to settings by tapping on the settings icon, and if you scroll down below you'll find the option audience and visibility, and under it you'll find stories. Click on stories and go to story privacy. Now if you set your story to be seen only by your friends, then others won't be able to see your story and there will be no other viewers. But if you have turned it on to public, then simply go to custom that you can see on the screen, click on it, and here you'll see friends that can view your story and have viewed your story, all of them. But if you swipe your finger from right side of your screen to left side of your screen, then you can see these are the other persons that have viewed my story who are not friends with me. This way you can see other viewers on your Facebook story. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.